you on how you can simply get shift lock on your Roblox console, basically PS4 and PS5. Now, automatically it will go ahead and be enabled by default, but if not, you could also go ahead and navigate through any game right here. You can navigate through the settings of Roblox, and then once inside, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the view and control. In here, you have the shift lock switch. You just want to make sure that this is turned on. And then from there, you then want to navigate through the button on which your shift lock is binded into. If you don't know what that button is, I suggest search your console's default buttons. And from there, you will be able to switch between shift lock and the normal one right here. You could also go ahead and try mouse and keyboard if you're having a hard time connecting a shift lock onto your console. And by doing this, you will be able to go ahead and reduce this step to a much easier process. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.